AirCARE Air Cushion System. Inflation Guide. Insert the hex wrench into the small hole on the material feed shaft, and rotate clockwise to tighten it. Pull out the machine support bar, and turn on the air cushion machine. AirCARE offers varieties of air cushions and bubble films to choose from. Remove the upper and lower protective covers of the film roll. Peel off the seal. Slide the film roll onto the material feed shaft. Insert the film opening onto the wind tube. Press the jog button to feed the film through completely. Adjustable settings, speed, air volume, and temperature are all fully adjustable. Press start to begin. Gently guide the film during inflation. Ready to use. Does not take up storage space, saves costs. Perforated design, easy tear sections allow you to use exactly what you need. Full air volume, good cushioning effect. Its density, toughness and stability are more guaranteed. Suitable for packaging products of different shapes, protecting every shipment, every step of the way. AirCARE Air Cushion System. Protect your cargo from impact damage.
Topsword. Dry quality.